I have my son, Michael, he have a lupus, and he go to specialist about 3-4 years, and he didn't help his hair to grow up, so we just try on the scalp clinic, and then about 2 to 3 months, and he grow about 80%, and I'm so happy, so I come to treatment on myself. I have only about 2 months here, and then I have a lot of hair grow up.
Excellent,
yeah.
excellent. And has your hair loss stopped as well? You find that you're shedding less?
Yeah, the hair is stop loss, and I think the hair is stronger.
Are
Yes,
other people
then
noticing that your hair is coming back as well?
Yeah, my friend always ask me about my hair, how can grow a lot. So I say go to scalp clinic, and so my friend and my cousin, they want to come in.